Welcome to Cooking with Gringo, where it's Copycat Monday. Why pay restaurant prices when you can cook it better at home? Today we're going to make copycat Ihop pumpkin pancakes. So to a bowl, we're going to add in 1 1/4 cups all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of allspice. Give that a whisk together. We're going to add in 1 1/4 cup of buttermilk, add in 3 tablespoons of canned pumpkin, 2 eggs, and 1/4 cup of melted butter. And whisk that together. Oil up our griddle. 1/3 cup pancakes. Alright, we're gonna do a 1/3 cup batter to make our pancakes. Now, if all the pancakes are done, it's time to turn off the heat. And it's time to eat. Now it's time to dig in. Bon appetit. I mean, when it comes to pumpkin stuff, I'm a basic white bitch. I love it. These are great. So a short stack at IHOP for these will cost you about $7. For us, it's about $1 to $1.25 per serving. We got 3 out of that. So for half the price, you can feed 3 people. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.